What's up, everybody? Well, it's day 6 of the rental property repairs. Last day. We're going to wrap this one up today. It's been a great project. Thank y'all so much for following along with us. Today we're going to demo the storage building finally. Yes. Also going to finish up the fascia boards and get those painted and everything buttoned up, cleaned up, finalized for this project. Y'all check out what we did today. Check out what we got done. Check out the new Patch Pro crew members that joined us today. It's always good to have all the guys out here with us today. There you go, Tobes. Tobe, give me that grr face, buddy.
I can't, Dad, right now. I'm losing my grip on my left hand.
Okay, we're almost there, 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 we're almost there.
Do not let go.
Good job.
It's fine. Tobes, show me something, baby.
Look good. I gotta break it.
Ooh, that's
7:30's not
Like, man, what'd you think about the demo of the shed?
It was fun. It was hot. It was fun.
What you think, Lucas Wade?
Good.
Good? Lots of work?
Sweaty, but good.
Who is the #1 crew in the world?
Patch Pro.
#1 crew in the world.
Patch Pro.
Patch Pro. Patch Pro.
Patch Pro. Patch Pro.
Okay, well.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Here, push down the board. Up, 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 up. Yeah. Now, come on. Take the mark.
When you pulled it, it hit a nail and it was that messed up.
Let's go, Patch Pro. Okay.
It's not about how high you are, it's about how much it's up. Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Ready?
Stop that.
Set. Stop, stop.
Yeah, you're never gonna land if you just don't stop.
You gotta go.
right, guys, that's a wrap for day 6 of the rental property repairs job. It's also the last day, and we are finally done. We got a lot done on this house, and really excited for the rental property group to be able to find a new tenant, a new family to put in this house, and I sure hope they enjoy it. Man, we finished up the fascia boards today and got those all painted. We also got the shed demoed, completely demoed, loaded up on the trailer, ready to haul it off to the dump now. That's exciting. Thank y'all so much for your support, for watching the videos. Continue to tell your friends about the Patch Pro crew. It was great to have the little Patch Pros out here with us today. They did a great job. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a blessed day. And as always, please don't forget.
Please subscribe and ring the notification bell.
And thank you for watching.
Woo!
What they said. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.